today's video, I am gonna show you how I made a beat that I feel like Travis Scott and Rob 49 would cook on, okay? Let me turn this shit. That's enough of that. So first and foremost, we're gonna go and we're gonna zoom this in somewhere. We're gonna start off with our sample here. Shout out to this loop maker, you know, any producers that be on YouTube and whatnot, or just, you know, creators and stuff. You know, the wave of Discord. Discord, you can find plenty of gems. You can find consultation, you can find tutorials, you can even find loops, one shots, samples, and drum kits, all that shit for the, you know what I'm saying. I ain't gonna say too much more on that, but so anyway, this loop right here I got from One Daisy. I was in the Discord chopping it up and came across this. So this is where's the original sample at? All right, okay, here it is. This is the original sample. And this app that I'm using right here, this is called Sample Crate or something like that. All right, this is the loop right here. All right, that's pretty cool. I fuck with that. So the first thing I did was I came up in here. I sampled. Wait, no. This is the. What's that sample? All right, we gonna show. Okay, my bad. What's going on here? Okay, I came up in here. I'm about to show you my chain of events here. Of course, I always tell you, this is Bleece. This is like the gross beat of the iOS music producers. Real ones know what that's about. Then I got a Pro Q on here, you know, cut out that low end and raise a little bit of the frequencies. On the high end, I got a mini Flux Mini 2. Now what this do is that just give it it's like a wave table thing. I'm not sure what you call it, but just kind of give you different rhythms and stuff. It's kind of like Gross Beat 2. And after that, I got the Chrome verb on there with a little reverb. That's all. And then that got me this. And of course, I pitched it down. I think I went over here. Let me see. On the side, I think I pitched it down, or did I pitch it down up in the, I don't know what I pitched it down at. I pitched it down like two, man, I'm trying to find it, man. What the hell's going on? Okay, I transposed it up one. That's what I did. I transposed it up one, and then I put the Bleece slow machine on there, which gave me that vibe. And then I come down here to this guy over here. I just copied and duplicated my first audio track, and I transposed it down 12 to give me some more variation, and I pitched it up. Okay, so I got one that's sitting regular, I pitched one down, and I pitched one up. Okay, and this is what you get with these two. After that, we got our hi-hats. I'll go up into these and just show you. I got my hi-hats, and you got your different sections right here at the top. The box is where you put your, where you program, where you program your drums at. So I'm gonna just go ahead and play these. Well, I'll just go ahead and play it with the beat, actually. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just adding, how I did it last time. I'm just adding all of the sounds and everything to it, which is the drums and everything was giving this whole bounce. So let me go back to doing that. Okay, so there you have it. I feel like Travis Scott and Ralph 09 will kill that shit. And let me just tell you a little bit of something about myself, man. I'm from New Orleans, you know what I'm saying? And people probably wondering why, what do I do? I'm a music producer. And you'll probably be surprised who I got some production credits with. But I'll probably talk about that in another video. So what I just want to say is thank you guys for, watching this. Like I said, like, subscribe. I'm trying to figure this algorithm thing out, and I'm gonna keep on pushing out stuff like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play the beat, and then I'll probably just post the MP3 of this beat a little bit later on. So appreciate that. So I appreciate y'all time, and more importantly, y'all have a great day, man.